you're the actual bomb. Now let's go!
All right, hang on! Go!
Let's go!
Barry,
Listen to me, Major.
I need that thing you done before to get me away from the plane.
Requested number.
Major! I need you to do the shoot. The second time, not the first.
Deploying. Who's winning the race? It's Lightning McQueen.
No, it's okay. Okay, tell him, Mater, explain.
Okay, somebody's been sabotaging the racers and hurting the cars, and I know who. Oh, wait, Your Majesty.
Disarm it. Mater, I don't know what you're doing, but stand down now.
This ain't nothing at all like Radiator Springs.
Mater, just cut to the chase.
Okay, it's him.
Me? You got to be crazy.
I figured it out when I realized y'all attached this ticking time bomb with Whitworth bolts. The same bolts that hold together that old British engine from the photograph. Holly, show that picture.
Okay.
And then I remembered what they say about old British engines. If there ain't no oil under them, there ain't no oil in them.
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just blamed it on me.
Electric cars don't use oil, you swit.
Then you're faking it. You didn't convert to no electric. We pop that hood, we gonna see that engine from that picture right there.
This lorry's crazy! He's gonna kill us all! Stay away!
But Sir Axelrod created the race, Mater. Why would he want to hurt anyone?
To make all in all look bad, so everybody go back to using oil. I mean, he said it himself with that disguised voice.
Disguised voice? What are you talking about? You're nuts, you are!
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
30 seconds!
Mater, he created all in all.
Yeah, but what if he found that huge oil field just as the world was trying to find something else? What if he came up with all in all just to make alternative fuel look better?
2 hours is long enough!
What if?
Okay, that's it.
The lorry's crazy! Keep away, you idiot!
Bomb deactivated. Have a nice day, Sir Axelrod.
I have you now.
You're in big trouble, young man. Aha! There you are.
Engine from the photo.
It's a perfect match.
How did the tow truck figure it out?
It's official. You're coming to all my races from now on.
Now you're talking.
Mater, let's go. You're on.
Your Majesty, may I present for the investiture of honorary knighthood of the British realm, Mater of Radiator Springs.
Go get him, buddy.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tow Mater.
By the way, have y'all met each other? McQueen, 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 McMessel, McMessel, McQueen, Queen, McMessel.